tool that will help you increase engagement for your YouTube videos, so that the videos can easily trend or gain views. First, to achieve this, we need to have multiple YouTube accounts. To begin, we will select the seeding function, and then choose the seeding video feature. Here, you can keep the parameters as I have them, or change the number of concurrent viewing streams. Please click here to enter comments in the specified format. You should enter the comments, and once you have finished entering all the sentences, click Save and Exit. For the features in the software, please select the features you need. Now, go back to YouTube, find the YouTube video that you want the accounts in the software to watch and interact with. Copy the link of that YouTube video, and return to paste it into the software. Finally, quickly select the section containing the accounts you want to use to watch the video. You can select all. Click Load to display the accounts and then click Start. From here, the software will control thousands of accounts to watch the video for you, helping your channel's video to gain views quickly and automatically.